ancient times, there was a very interesting method for lie detection. A single dry radish could determine a person's innocence. Guards would force a dry radish into the accused person's mouth and make them chew it for a while before taking it out for inspection. If the radish came out wet and covered in saliva, the accused was released as innocent. However, if the radish remained dry, it was assumed the person was nervous and fearful, causing a dry mouth. This was used as direct evidence of guilt. There was an even simpler method involving dry rice. Guards would put a handful of dry rice into the accused's mouth and ask them to chew and spit it into a bowl. If the spat out rice was wet with saliva, the person was fine and considered innocent. But if the rice remained dry, it was judged that the person had ghosts in their heart guilt, causing a dry mouth due to fear, and they were convicted on the spot. In modern times, we have lie detector machines. The principle is actually very simple. When you lie, the machine captures your anxiety response to judge that you are lying. However, there is a small trick to counter this. One could hide a thumbtack in their shoe and intentionally step on it before answering a question. By inducing pain, the person forces their body into a high-stress state early on. This way, when they actually lie, the physiological reaction doesn't look abnormal, making it easier to fool the lie detector.